The Samsung Galaxy A15 5G looks like this in the box. And before going ahead with unboxing of this video, so I'll be showing it to you what are the specifications which we can observe from this particular Samsung A15 Galaxy A15. If you observe, this Samsung Galaxy A15 comes with 5G, and there will be three colors you can identify whichever you want, and there will be three variants of RAM: 6 GB, 8 GB, and 8 GB another one. So 6 GB variant will come with 128 GB storage internal memory, and 8 GB comes with two storages like 128 GB storage and 256 GB storage. The camera is very much perfect, 50 megapixel main camera. Android 14, they are giving it UI 6.0, so they're promising that 4 generations updations will be there on Android, and 5 year security updates will be there on A15. So quickly, if you observe all these things, this display comes with AMOLED and triple rear camera, 50 megapixel main and 30 megapixel front camera. You can observe from this box. 5000 milliampere hour battery, 25 watt super fast charging support will be also given. So what exactly will be there inside the box, we are going to see in this one. The seal would be looks like this on the box, similar way on the downside also. These two things we have to remove before going ahead with unboxing of this video. Let's see. We just do it like this. On top of that one, the seal will be broken. Same the case happens with down below. Hold this one and just remove it. Now once both the stickers are broken, you can straight away turn around and boom, remove it. That's all. You would be able to see the Samsung Galaxy A15 and also the camera and all this stuff. And wow, a fantastic look of A15 is like this. Fantastic. What a camera view here it is given. Three cameras are straight away given so easily. You will be mesmerized by seeing this mobile, and it's so handy inside your another thing we have to remove this one, or rest of the things will be from inside of this box. The SIM ejector is given here, and rest of the things I hope only charging cable will be given, as they don't provide any kind of adapter we have to buy it. 25 watt charging will happen along with this charging cable, and or C-type connector basically. Generally Samsung gives with both the sides C-type connector. So this is what exactly they're giving, and some kind of regional log guide, and so rest of the things are instructions card, and yeah, some kind of instruction set which we never study in the real time. So we look for only those items, whether it is there or not. That's all. Along with this, nothing is given inside this particular Samsung Galaxy A15. Try to just power it on by just holding the power button for some time. Once the power button is pressed, the Samsung logo appears simultaneously. Samsung Galaxy secured by Knox, powered by Android, is shown to you. Select your language, just agree to all from the down below, and do it agree here. Now the home interface with the light version of thing is looks like this. So beautiful. If you observe, all those preloaded apps have come on my mobile so easily, and yeah, beautiful. If you go to the camera is superb, fantastic. Very minute details are also it's taking so easily, and you can also go to 2x zoom or 0.5 zoom on this backside camera. The front side also looks so glorious. You can also go for portrait mode. All those things are very much pretty accessible and easy in this particular mobile. So thank you so much for watching this video. This is 50 megapixel, 12 megapixel, 50 megapixel, 12 megapixel. As there are three cameras, you'll be always getting all those at your fingertip. Yeah, thank you so much for watching this video.